There are many ways you can research the impact that tourists have on a destination. Let's say you wanted to research how tourism of the National Aquarium impacts Baltimore. Where do you start? Let's use Find It from the library homepage. First type quote National Aquarium close quote and Baltimore. We use quotes around a phrase to get more precise results. Also, adding the connector and combines the phrase with Baltimore since there is a National Aquarium in Australia too. A new tab will appear. The results are sorted by relevance in the middle of the screen. Let's use the limiters on the left side to refine our results. First, let's click Full Text Online to see the entire text of articles. Since we want local information about how tourists who visit the National Aquarium make an impact on Baltimore, it's best to look for newspaper articles, magazine articles, and web resources. As we select Limit, the results update automatically. To get the most up-to-date information, let's limit our results to the past 3 years. To limit our results even more, we'll select More under Subject Terms. This displays all of the subject terms related to our search. Brainstorm about all of the related keywords or phrases that could apply to your search. Hotels and motels could have relevant information. Summer, tourism, travel, and travel industry could help as well. Scroll up to the top and click Apply. Scan the list of results to see what might be interesting. The fifth result looks good, so we'll click the title. A new tab opens. Click the title in this new tab to see the full text of this article. You can print out the article or email it to yourself. If you need the link for an article, know that each database that provides an article, ebook, etc. uses its own phrasing, so look for words like permalink or link. In this example, we'll click Actions and then click Link to this page. If you click the Results tab, you'll see a way to cite the article or email it to yourself.